Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I'm standing in front of a wonderful collection of books that I've written. This one's my favorite, A Simple Book of Strength. Anyway, today I wanted to show you how to do a movement that a friend of mine named Dimitri showed me. He said he liked it and it was a good warm-up. But I think it's much more than a good warm-up. It's a great way to get some mobility in your joints, but also to activate your vestibular system and tie your body's movements with the movements of your head. So all you need is a countertop, a kitchen counter or something, any counter will do. Maybe a counter with lovely books that your friend has written. And what you're gonna do is, so we're gonna face the counter, and I'm gonna rotate my head to the left, my eyes and head. I'm gonna rotate my body to the left and lunge down. It's kind of a lunge or a staggered squat, but my hands stay on the counter. So this feels amazing, by the way, because it opens up your pecs, stretches out your shoulder and your pecs, and get some good mobility in this knee and this hip. This knee and this hip get mobility, and then we're gonna look up, come up, rotate the eyes and head to the right, rotate the body to the right, all the way, rotate, rotate. We're gonna look down and do the same thing on the way down. So what we're doing is we're using our eyes and our head to facilitate or to lead the movement. And the body's wired in such a way where if the eyes go into flexion, the whole body wants to go into flexion. If the eyes go into extension, the whole body wants to extend. If we rotate, the body wants to rotate. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to remind my body how it's connected. I'm moving my eyes, my head, and my body in the direction that my eyes and head are going. So again, if I were here, facing this way, if I look down, I put everything into flexion. As I come up into extension, I rise up, rotate, look down, rise up, rotate. And again, this just feels so good on the chest and shoulders. And it is a great way to mobilize the knee and the hip. And again, you can go down as far as you can or as far as your body will let you go. And you can explore. But that's it. It's a super simple movement, but it's complete integration. And again, it feels so good to put the arm and extension that stays on the countertop. You're really getting good mobility here, but most importantly, you're activating your vestibular system by the movements of your head, and you are tying your movements together. Eyes, head, body, eyes, head, body. That's really how we're designed to move. That's how we're born moving. Anyway, if we go back to our foundation of movement, everything just works better. And this is just a great way, clever way, to throw movement into your day, maybe at work with your desk or at home or in the kitchen, just to reinforce the way you're designed to move. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Dimitri, thank you very much. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. Perhaps we'll see you with one of these lovely books in your hands. All right, guys, have a good one.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.